Welcome to Medvarsity. First, open your browser and head to medvarsity.com to begin your learning journey. Next, click on the login button at the top right to access your account. A pop-up window will appear. Now, type in your registered email ID and hit Get OTP to proceed. You'll receive a one-time password in your email. Next, enter the OTP you received and click on Verify OTP to continue. Great! You've landed on your dashboard where all your courses are listed. Let's see how you can navigate your course. From your dashboard, you will see your enrolled courses. Click Start Course to dive into your first lesson and begin learning. This is your course interface. As you complete topics, your progress is tracked automatically. The next time you log in, click Resume to continue right where you left off. When you're done with all modules, go to the Assessment section and click Start Assessment to test your learning. To download your certificate, make sure you've completed all the modules and passed all assessments in the course. Click on the Certificate tab to proceed. But first, let's share your feedback. Fill out the short feedback form and click Submit. You're almost done. Congratulations! Your certificate is ready. Just click Download and it's all yours.